Hi, I'm just finishing up some final sharpening on the 210mm Gyuto that I made for Chef Nina in Miami. Nina is a sushi chef and works at one of the finest restaurants in Miami, and she custom ordered this knife a few months ago, and very happy with the way it turned out. It's a beautiful handle with dyed box elder and mother of pearl accents, and I think she's going to be quite pleased with it. This knife is taking a keen edge. I'm finishing up on a 6,000 grit stone, just doing some kind of stropping passes on it now, and then we will finish it on a leather strop. This blade is made of 52-100 carbon steel, and it's been heat treated to 62 Rockwell hardness, and, with a very fine molecular grain structure. So it is capable of taking a very keen edge on par with some of the best Japanese made blades. This is a horsehide leather strop. It's been infused with a carbon stropping compound that should result in a very keen and highly polished edge. Okay, let's see what she will do. Get through the double sheet pretty well. Let's see the single sheet. I think it's going to be sharp enough to cut fish or other proteins and vegetables that Chef Nina will be using this knife for. So, thanks a lot. Stay sharp.